In this video, we are going to learn how to manage API credentials for users in Control Hub. When calling the Control Hub REST API, all users must use their own API credentials. API credentials include a credential ID and an authentication token. These values are associated with the user's account and are unique to each user. When you use the credentials to call a Control Hub REST API, the credentials require authorization to complete the task. The roles and permissions assigned to your user account or to the groups that your user account belongs to determine the access levels you have when using your API credentials. For example, when you use the API to start a job, your user account must have the required roles and permissions to start the job. Each user must create their own API credentials. Users can have a maximum of 10 credential stores. When you create an API credential, Control Hub generates and then displays the credential ID and authentication token values. You'll need to copy and store your ID and authentication token in a secure location. Control Hub will not display the token again after you close this window. If you lose the authentication token, or if the token becomes compromised, you'll need to regenerate the API credential. To manage API credentials for yourself and your organization, navigate to Manage, then API Credentials. You will see the API credentials for each user in your organization. Select a credential to activate, deactivate, or delete. All users can rename or regenerate their own credentials. Now you know how to create and manage API credentials for your organization in Control Hub. We will learn how to use these credentials to call the Control Hub REST API in another video. Thanks for watching.